I want to welcome you to this very quick DropBlogr demo. Okay, first, DropBlogr is a done for you affiliate review site builder that helps you build your affiliate review site with over 40 plus done for you professionally written affiliate reviews. So first, I'll need to show you around. If you ever get stuck and need support, you can use the chat widget here to chat in real time with our support decks, or you can use the support link right here to send a support ticket. I can access your bonuses using this link and also the special every group using this link. And now the traffic part of it, the traffic training is all inside your dashboard, so you don't need to go anywhere to access your training. So you can see all the training here right inside your dashboard, so you can watch each and every one of them at your own timing. Okay, so first let's go on to create a new site on DropBlogr. Okay, so these are sites we created before. You can see the categorizing your site. So let's go here, Jeffrey Affiliate site. Now DropBlogr has 3 done for you templates, 3 unique looking templates, so your site doesn't look alike or very similar. So you can preview them to see how they look like before you decide whether to deploy that particular one or not. So you can see how beautiful the templates looks. So let's select one. I'll select this. Now the next thing is to put in your name, the site URL. I can see demo video review site. The site name, I can say same thing. Now I go straight to add site. Okay, awesome. My site has been created. For me. You can see the URL here. Demo video review site with SSL already. So let me review how it looks like. I'll close that. Now you can see you can replace your logo right here. There's a more detailed tutorial about that. Okay, so you can see all the written reviews, and it comes with an ad placement. You can place any kind of ad here. It can be Google AdSense, it can be just any kind of ad that you want. So let's look into one of the reviews and see how it looks like. Okay, so this is Storyboat, my honest review. You see, this is the title and this is the subheading. This is an image. This is the rating system that comes inbuilt DropBlogr. This is the social share. You can share to different social networks. Now you see, this review was professionally written by a 6-figure copywriter. So you can see the call to action, and it also comes with bonuses, valuable bonuses that you can use to entice your customers. Now quickly, let me show you how we simplify the process of running your campaign using DropBlogr. Back into our dashboard, let's go to DFY pages. Now we built 2 unique pages for you for each of the products listed on your review site. For each of the products listed on your review site, we built a special page which I'm going to show you now. So let's start for storybook. Now this is it. The first page is the promo details. So you don't go to the internet scribbling around looking for a way to apply for the product you want to promote or the product we have listed in DropBlogr. Now you have the storyboard promo details. This is a direct link to the request on the affiliate network where you can grab your affiliate link. Now this other link takes you to the JB page, and this sample request message, you can use this to apply for every single promo you want to use. Just replace these tags with the real values and you're good to go. And also the vendor contact details, you got it all here. You can contact the vendor through Skype or Facebook, depending on what the vendor made available so affiliate can get across to them. So we added all of them here. Now this is the bonus download page. You just need to copy this URL and add it into your JBZoo delivery page. That is covered in the more detailed inside the tutorial section of this software. So these are the bonuses, the images, link, so you can download them right away. So basically, this is all about DropBlogr. Also, with DropBlogr, you can connect your domain, your custom domain, in case you don't want to make use of our own subdomain. You can at all times connect your custom domain. We also created a detailed tutorial about this in the members area. So thank you for taking your time to watch this video. See you inside. Cheers.